Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In this tutorial, we will walk through the process of creating a simple web application using Python and Google App Engine. We will focus on testing for user and password information in the HTTP headers of incoming requests. This can be useful for implementing basic authentication in your web application. Before you begin, make sure you have the following prerequisites in place: Google Cloud Platform, GCP, account. You will need a GCP account to use Google App Engine. Google Cloud SDK. Install the Google Cloud SDK on your local machine. It's a command line tool for managing Google Cloud resources. Python. You should have Python installed on your machine. If not, you can download it from the official Python website. Create a new Google Cloud project. If you haven't already, create a new project in your Google Cloud console. Enable App Engine. In your project settings, enable the App Engine service. Now, let's create a simple Python web application using Google App Engine. We'll create a basic authentication system to check for user and password information in the HTTP headers. You can install the Google App Engine SDK for Python using the following command. Create a new directory for your project and create the following files inside it. Here's a simple app.yaml. Now, let's write the Python code in main.py for testing user and password information in the headers. Use the following command to deploy your web application to Google App Engine. Follow the prompts to choose your project and deployment location. After deployment, you can access your web application by visiting https://your_project_id region_id/apps.com/. To test the authentication, you can use a tool like curl to send requests with the authorization header. For example, this should return authentication successful in the response. That's it. You've created a simple Python web application on Google App Engine that tests for user and password information in the headers. You can expand upon this foundation to implement more sophisticated authentication mechanisms as needed for your application. ChatGPT.